Hi, today we are going to see for how to create configuration in MERN web application. First we will open the MERN web folder and click on the download React.js file. Then you can see the download all software URL link. First we will download the Node.js and copy to paste the URL link on the browser. Next you can view the Node.js download page and go to the pre-built installer. Click on the download. Node.js is download. Next click on the installed. Node.js is downloaded, so click on the finished. Next we will go to the readme text file, download the MongoDB, so copy the URL code and paste to the browser. You can view the MongoDB download page and click on the download. MongoDB is downloaded. Click on the complete and click on the next. MongoDB is installed. Then you can see the page and click on the connect the MongoDB. In case if not connect, click on the window plus R, open the server MSC, then search the MongoDB. Next right click and start the MongoDB. Now connect the MongoDB. Next download the Visual Studio and the same procedure. Next open the MongoDB and how to import the configuration database in the MongoDB. First click on the plus and then create the database. The database name is have a readme text file. So go to the readme text file and copy the database name. Next paste to the database name and then enter the collection name. It's also have a readme text file, so copy to paste the collection name. Then click on the create database. Next you will add a data, so click on the add data and then select the import JSON and CSV file. Next you can see the database file, then select the file and import the file and then create a next collection name. Click on the on road and then plus and then enter the collection name. Collection name is so go to the database file and you can see the all collection files. So you can copy to paste the collection name. Enter the create collection and add a data. Select the database file, import the data. All data is import the same procedure. All data to import to the same procedure. Enter the collection name and create a collection name. Next you will add a data. All data in import completed. Next you will go to the SRC file. You can view the backend and client and database files. This all files is addressing the configuration. Next go to the Visual Studio and then open the new folder and open the SRC folder. You can view the backend and client and database, then click on the readme text. Here you can see configuration running step-by-step procedure. So next open the backend and client folder in terminal VS Code. First open the new terminal and enter the. You can add the backend path, so copy to paste the CD backend. Next add to the backend on the path. Then install the node module, so copy the np install and paste to the terminal. Backend node modules is installing. Then start the backend terminal, so copy the npm start and paste to the terminal. Backend server is connected. Next we will create a client terminal. So click on the plus and open the new terminal. Then add to a client on the path. So copy to paste the cd client. Next install the node modules. So copy the npm installed, then paste to the terminal. Client node modules is installed. Then run to the client terminal. So copy the npm run div, then paste to the terminal. Client server is connected. Next click on the localhost code. Next open the application. You can view this page, and then you can view this page. That's the create configuration of MERN web application.